This short video provides guidance on the measurement of the brickwork when we're working with internal girths, i.e. the internal dimensions have been annotated on the drawing. So from the section you can see that I've marked up the centre line of the brickwork. That's what we need in terms of measuring the area, because it'll be the centre line of the brickwork times the height of the brickwork. So in order to do that, we're working from the internal girth. And what I've done on the section here is mark up the adjustment at each of the corners, so there'll be two of these. So if you look at that adjustment, it's the width of the blockwork plus the width of the cavity plus half the width of the brickwork. So what does that look like in the waist column? So I'm assuming that we've calculated the internal girth and it's come up at 46 metres. So I'm going to add, because we're moving outwards here. So this is the adjustment represented by this arrow here. So we've got the blockwork plus the cavity plus half the width of the brickwork, giving us a total of 1,810. If we add those together, we get the centre line of this brickwork at 47.81 metres. So if we look at here, we've got the area of the commons. We're using the same height as in the previous example, and we have 47.81 metres by 0.62. What you need to note is how important it is to correctly read the drawings, and whether you're dealing with the internal girth or the external girth, because if you compare this quantity to the previous video using the external girths, you can see that there's a significant difference in this quantity here.